Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by forcing Discord to fully restart so the client can fetch updates cleanly. Close Discord from the system tray and confirm no background process remains. On Windows, use Task Manager. On Mac OS, use Force Quit. Once done, right-click and run as administrator or reopen normally. Elevated permissions avoid blocked updater actions. You're doing this because partial processes or permissions frequently prevent the update checker from completing, and a clean restart primes the client to request the latest build. Next, force the client to contact Discord servers and apply any available patch. Press Ctrl+R to hard reload the app UI so the updater can reinitialize, then open the Help menu and select Check for updates. This kicks off manual verification. If the updater does not respond, clear cache folders to remove corrupted update metadata, and then relaunch. Make sure to delete only Discord's cache, because that removes stale files that block the download, but preserves your account data on the server. Finally, allow the updater to complete without interruption. The installer may relaunch the app once finished. If the update still fails, download the latest Discord installer from the official source and perform a reinstall. This replaces damaged updater components. Make sure to sign back in after reinstall. If errors persist, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus and retry the update because security software sometimes blocks patches. Re-enable protections afterward. This troubleshooting tip fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.